Welcome back to MVP Auto 08. Today the all-new 2025 Porsche Panamera. This high-performance luxury sedan blends sports car DNA with executive-class comfort. Let's take a deep dive into everything the new Panamera has to offer. The 2025 Panamera gets a refined yet aggressive design update. Up front, a wider grille and sharper LED matrix headlights give it an even bolder stance. The sleek roofline and muscular fenders highlight its sporty character, while the signature full-width LED taillight bar at the back ensures it looks stunning from every angle. Porsche offers a variety of wheel designs, ranging from 19 to 21 inches, with high-performance brake options for maximum stopping power. The quad exhaust tips hint at the beast lurking under the hood. Speaking of power, Porsche gives you multiple options to match your driving style. The base Panamera packs a turbocharged 2.9-liter V6 with 353 horsepower. Step up to the Panamera 4S, and you get a beefier version of that engine, pushing out 443 horsepower. But if you crave the ultimate performance, the Panamera Turbo e-hybrid is the one to watch. This monster pairs a twin turbocharged V8 with an electric motor, cranking out a staggering 680 horsepower. With Porsche's advanced PDK dual-clutch transmission and available all-wheel drive, acceleration is blistering. The Turbo e-hybrid rockets from 0 to 60 in just 3.2 seconds. Plus, thanks to the improved plug-in hybrid system, you get an extended all-electric range, perfect for city driving without using a drop of fuel. Step inside, the 2025 Panamera is a masterpiece of modern luxury. A fully digital cockpit greets the driver, featuring a massive curved display, a central infotainment screen, and an optional passenger side screen for extra functionality. Porsche's new infotainment system supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and even integrated video streaming for when you're parked. Every detail screams premium, from the available leather and Alcantara finishes to the customizable ambient lighting. The Panamera's cabin is a perfect blend of sportiness and sophistication. Rear passengers aren't left out either, with plenty of legroom and their own climate controls, making this a true luxury grand tour. Of course, no modern luxury car is complete without advanced driver assistance features. The 2025 Panamera comes loaded with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a surround view camera system. Plus, Porsche's new night vision assist uses infrared cameras to detect pedestrians and animals in the dark, giving you an extra layer of safety. If you go for the hybrid models, you'll benefit from improved efficiency without sacrificing performance. The latest Panamera e-hybrids feature a larger battery pack, offering up to 50 miles of electric-only range. Combined with regenerative braking and intelligent energy management, this luxury sedan is as smart as it is powerful. Porsche offers the Panamera in multiple trims, from the standard model to the high-performance Turbo S e-hybrid. There's also the long-wheelbase Panamera Executive, giving rear seat passengers extra space and luxury features. The 2025 Porsche Panamera is the perfect blend of performance, luxury, and technology. Whether you're looking for a high-performance daily driver or a grand tour with exhilarating speed, Porsche has crafted a masterpiece. But what do you think? Would you take the Panamera over its rivals like the BMW 8 Series Gran Coupe or the Mercedes-AMG GT 4-door? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting car reviews. This is MVP Auto 08, and we'll see you in the next one.